right, welcome back. Kaduna, Sheik Gumi storms Fulani settlements for preaching against kidnapping and banditry. All right, the news in detail. Kaduna State is currently enmeshed in a humanitarian crisis. The southern part of the state has become the epicenter of deadly violence, most of it inflicted by herdmen on farming communities. Attacks by Fulani herdsmen on farming communities and reprisals, particularly in the north-central region. Further into the past, the epicenter was Plateau State, mainly the Bakin Ladi area, then Nasarawa State, and finally Benue State. In these areas, whole communities have been displaced, many lives have been lost, and many of the farmers unable to plant and harvest for years. The main theater of this violence has now moved from this north-central state into a northwestern state, escalating historic tensions in southern Kaduna. All right, and as it is in Benin, Gwari in the Kaduna Central Zone, cattle rustling continues to be a major problem. But in the Kaduna South Zone, things have gone several notches higher, especially as the victims are people, not cattle. This story state of the region did not go unnoticed, as several moves has been made by government and other groups to stop the mayhem, but to no avail. Today, a popular Islamic scholar, Dr. Ahmed Gumi, launched an important campaign through Islamic preaching to the settlements of Fulani living in the state. All right, and the preaching campaign started today by visiting several Fulani rural grazing area known as Ruga. The Sheikh has been cited carrying several Islamic books, all in the intention to teach the Fulanis the true teaching of Islam at ease. Our source of this information revealed to us that the Sheikh honestly believes that it is only through teaching and enlightening of Fulanis and villagers residing at their various hamlets that the pervasive crimes like kidnappings, terrorism would be decisively reduced and dealt with in the society. All right, and as it is, he urged the Fulani Muslims community to know more about Tawhid, oneness of Allah, his religion, and other important Islamic teachings, concluding that even the old Islam stands for peace. He therefore urged them to embrace it with open arms. Ahmad Abubakar Gumi is an Islamic cleric, scholar, and former military officer with the rank of captain in the Nigerian Defense Academy (NDA). He is the current Mufti and Mufassir at the Kaduna Central Mosque, Sultan Bello. All right, and then these had been gathered, and it has been said so far that Sheik Gumi storms Fulani settlements for preaching against kidnappings and banditry. All right, and then this had been said so far, and he has been able to go around to teach them the real doctrine. Okay, and as it is, it has been gathered by guests that, well, he means as a old Sheikh, he doesn't know that Saratu Muhammad in Quran legalized kidnapping, or He just wants the saved people. Okay, and this person has said that you should know that kidnapping is legalized. Are you serious? Okay, that's another strong one. Why would kidnapping be legalized in a very good day? As far as true doctrine is concerned, kidnapping legalized, that is immoral. And well, I don't understand what that person is trying to say concerning that. Okay, and Jega Boss has said that, well, I too like this Muslim preacher. Okay, I too like this Muslim preacher. Okay, that's what he meant. Okay, and then I am a Christian. I have brother Muslims. Islam, as I know, are good people. Okay, and these terrorists are the ignorant and illiterate ones. Please, Sheikh, teach them through Islam. Okay, well, let me try and emphasize on this. Okay, and according to what has been gathered here so far, this person is trying to say that, okay, fine, Sheikh in his own part is trying to tell the people that as far as true Islamic doctrine is concerned, you are not meant to kill. That is not part of the doctrine. So he was trying to teach them how a true Muslim is supposed to behave, and how kidnapping is not worthy. It's not a good thing for them to embark or engage themselves in. Okay, and he has said it so far, and this person is trying to say that, well, Sheikh has done a very good thing, that Islam, or that he knows that they don't kill, they don't kidnap, that he should keep teaching them the true meaning of Islam. And that is to tell you that everything that the Boko Haram have been doing, what they has been doing, is uncalled for. Most of them will say, okay, it was it was written in Islam that they have to kidnap and do all sorts, like what somebody said earlier, that kidnapping is part of Islam. I think that is a fake Islamic practice. Okay, and then a lot have been said so far on this one. Well, the truth of the matter is no matter what, in no time God will reveal his true worshippers. And then as far as we are concerned, a true worshipper should not even kill. That is it. So if you are talking about kidnapping, what are you kidnapping for? You have to be straightforward, you have to be pure, you have to be holy to practice all these doctrines, and that is one thing for sure. And I thank God that the good Lord has used the Sheik Gumi onto this one to preach to the Fulanis to understand what they are actually embarked on. And that's a very good one, and it's a good start. Well, this is 2021. A lot of things will come to be better, and it has been our prayers. All right, and that is it, my people, on this one. Meanwhile, let me have more take from you on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks, and God bless.